This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Joseph Harris. Gorgeous second floor unit in beautiful Pine Key Condominium Resort. Open spacious floor plan, large bedrooms. Screened lanai. Pool and clubhouse. A short 10 minutes from downtown Fort Myers, this is an excellent location for commuters. Pictures posted are of a similar unit. Unit 204 has wide appliances and Corian countertops. Great potential rental income potential. Located along the Pine Island corridor, this is a beautiful small Key West style community of 56 units. Pine Key Condominium Resort is in a rapidly expanding area, with multiple healthcare facilities nearby and within 5 minutes of retail centers that include Target, Bealls, and Bed, Bath, and